Today we're going to modify my trusty WarFab Sheridan Hitch Skid to work with my CBI steel back bumper. Since my truck doesn't have much of a lift, the departure angle leaves a little bit to be desired. But since the hitch skid hits first, I don't have to worry as much about my rear bumper. Now that I have a CBI rear bumper, I want to utilize the hitch skid for the same purpose. Unfortunately, the recovery point gets in the way of the license plate, so let's take care of that. So I have this skid plate that was made by WarFab, which works really great with the factory bumper. It protects on your departure angle from scratching up the bumper too bad, and it gives you a recovery point if you need to pull from the back. You can see on the bottom, I did use it a little bit. Now, even though this is a steel bumper, I'd like to use the WarFab skid plate to kind of protect it and to protect the back tire. I'd rather the low point be something I can easily remove and fix. Problem is, there is a recovery point here that runs into my license plate, and that's as high as the license plate folds out. Since I already have two recovery points on the bumper itself, I don't really need this one. So, I'm going to chop it off.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright, now that we cut off that recovery point, here's a look at how it looks on the truck. It sticks out just a little, doesn't really hinder the angle very much, but it gives a first place for this to hit and slide, so don't have to worry about damaging the more expensive bumper. I would definitely suggest picking up one of the skid plates if you get a chance. It has saved my bumper more times than I can count. If you like that video, feel free to like and subscribe, and check out this next one.